Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to place the reinforcement in the slabs. There are two types of slab in our structural reinforcement, one-way slab and two-way slab. One-way slab is what? The aspect ratio is greater than 2, means Ly by Lx is greater than 2, then it was one-way slab, and if Ly by Lx ratio is less than 2, then it is two-way slab. Mainly in the slabs, the reinforcement is in x direction and y direction. If you have the two-way slab, then the reinforcement in the slabs was two-way, or the main reinforcement is in the both directions, like in x direction as well as in the y direction. And if you go for the one-way slab, the main reinforcement is only in the one direction, and another direction there is a distribution still. So now we have to see how to place the reinforcement in two-way slab. So suppose I am drawing one slab here. I have drawn the structural floor, means slab, and now I want to place the reinforcement in it. So I go for the rebar, and in slab there is crank beam in x direction as well as in the y direction. So crank beam, we have used mostly the crank beam of 45-degree bent, means 0.42 d, the calculations we have done. So here you can see there is a one crank beam, that crank beam called as a one way in one direction. So here in that we have to place the crank beams in both direction because it is a two-way slab. So now I go for the rebar and to switch to one elevation and start to place the rebar. Suppose now I want to be the bent width. Is 2000 mm, like it is decided in the calculation. Now I want to be placed like that. Okay, to drag this crank bar to here. So here you can see one crank bar is placed. Now I want to change. Suppose I want to place 10 bars, 15 bars. The crank backs, one crank band is in that direction and next one is in opposite direction. So here you can see these type of crank bars are placed. Suppose I want to change the number, just like that you can change the number of that crank bands. This is all is decided in the design, like which design criteria you have set. In that you can decide. So this type of crank bars are placed. Now I want to place this 45-degree thickness in a 45-degree angle in that direction. I want to change the elevation. Just drag this and place in it. Just like in that direction, I have placed the here you can see the bars are placed in opposite direction. Just like that, I have to change this number. In that direction they are placed. So here you can see the reinforcement in one direction is placed. This is in the crank tool is molded here as well as here. Just like that, you have to place this reinforcement same in next next direction. So you can see in here in the direction the placement of the rebars are placed. I want to change this in that direction. So I have placed in that direction. Here you can see the placement of bars in both directions up and down. You can see just like that you can place the, so like that you can place the reinforcement in slab.